put our names on the post, right?
Yeah.
Names.
I don't read emails. I delete them.
Oh, well, then just so you know, so we all get credit for this assignment.
No, I'm just joking.
You're supposed to put our names in the comment box when you turn it in.
And if anyone not attend the meeting, we're supposed to disclose it, right?
Or tell why.
Okay.
Like Betsy lives in Mexico and doesn't get good internet. Or Kevin's computer probably blew up. Or, Benjamin got trapped in the snow.
That's gonna happen.
Or something like that,
Okay. Number
He got
3.
attacked by his children. I don't know. Lots of excuses, really.
No, his dogs. He has vicious dogs.
Oh, okay. I remember that one.
Okay, so question 3. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, the sample distribution of means histogram when the parent's population is right skewed.
I'm going to say skewed right because it's not a very big sample size.
I don't really
Okay.
get it.
Yeah, this
Okay.
was my question, you guys. I don't get when it's skewed right and skewed left. Because I read it, but I didn't really get it.
So, the skewed is... Now you're going to make me Google it. I'm pretty sure I'm not. I want to make sure I say it right. So I don't lead you to the
So
strays.
if you go to the reading, it has it in 3.1.
No, never read.
Right? Oh,
Right.
that's right.
So the right part is the low part. So if it's skewed right, there's less values on the right side. If it's skewed
Is that your
left, there's
question?
less values on the left side.
Let's write this on a piece of paper, shall we?
But this is why I'm confused because, in the question, why does it say then when the parent population is right skewed? Why does that matter?
Because your sample size is based off of the parent population. You take your sample from the population, and so depending on your sample size, it's going to look. Your mean is going to. Crap! You're making me confused now too.
Oh, so if your parent sample is skewed, I think it's normal. Then hopefully your sample will be skewed as well. So if the population is skewed, then the sample will be skewed.
Unless you get a large sample size, that's when it starts to become normal.
And skewed just means that it's on one side than the other, right?
Yeah. So that is a right skewed.
What's backwards for us?
Well, for me, it's right.
I'm just joking. It's right.
You mean, you think number 5 is too small, the sample size? I don't know.
So you're saying number 4 would be normal because this parent is skewed, but the sample size is large.
Yeah, there's something in the reading that talks about if it's above a certain, let's see,
30 or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So number 4, question 4 is normal.
I believe so.
Okay.
Are we on lesson 6?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna look up
Yes, we are.
the whole thing. Right, histogram, parent pops down menu, choose the distribution, 3, do.
Are we looking at question 5?
I was just looking at my textbook to see where the...
Don't read, never read. What are you doing?
Oh, hold on a sec. If you have observed the situation that the sample size is large, the random variable x will approximately normal distribution. In other words, the sample distribution of the sample means will approximately normal if the sample size is significantly large.
I think the sample size 100 for sure is normal.
Yeah, that's normal. Yeah. In the reading, it gives an example of how a sample size of 45 is a large sample.
But somewhere I read that the sample size is 2 or 3 is normal too. I mean, maybe I remember well.
If the parent population
It
is
is
normal,
normal.
then it
Okay.
doesn't matter if it's small.
Yes,
It will be normal.
you're right.
Here's like I just posted a bunch of quotes from the textbook about 30 is normal. Wow, that copied really weird.
Oh, no, there's-
So basically, if it's normal over 30. Okay. So number 5, the parent population is normally distributed, so it would be normally distributed, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Number 6, it's 100, and the population is normally distributed, so it'd still be normal.
Yep.
Okay. When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Data are drawn from population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. Yes. Population normally. No.
B.
Yes.
B. The final answer.
Well, we click all of them.
Well,
Because
if the sample-
this is what we were talking about. So if the data is drawn from a population that is normally distributed, then yes, it is definitely normal. But for if it's like right skewed or if it's skewed in some direction, then the sample size has to be large for it to still be the normally distributed.
So it would be all but C.
Oh, choose all correct responses.
Yes.
No.
All but C. The first 2 are normal populations. The
Yeah,
last,
C.
the second one is.
Oh yeah.
C is not.
I didn't see that last little bit because I don't read instructions. I picked that up from my good friend Ben.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
C is the
No.
only one that's not correct.
Right?
good thing I had a lifeline left.
Yeah. You need some more. Okay. Number 8. Which of the following gives the best explanation for the central limit theorem?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Did you want to try and get a nap?
Is that gal not coming?
Well, I haven't heard from her yet, so maybe she's being delayed because of the snow.
Okay.
Is it the last one? Is it D?
I think so.
Yeah,
I-
because the central limit theorem is used to describe the shape of the what you call the shape of right?
Yeah.
I can't hold you right now.
In the reading, this is what it says. It says, in other words, the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be approximately normal if the sample size is sufficiently large. So yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I got you.
D.
I got you.
Okay. Number 9. Use the following information to answer the next full question. Let X the random variable of the population 100 population theory. Suppose the sample size is 36 is drawn in the population. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample of means?
10.
Yep. Mhm.
Because it's above 30, right? It just follows the population.
Well, well,
It's the same. All the.
it's always the same. Yeah, the sample mean is going to be the same as the population mean.
No.
Yes.
What is the standard deviation for the sample mean?
So this one you do, if I'm not mistaken, you do this the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size or something like that.
That's the law of large numbers.
Is it?
I guess. I don't know. So it's just going to be 6 divided by 6, so 1.
Are you sure?
The standard deviation of 36 is 6. I mean, the square root of 36 is 6.
And then it's
I
1.
think if I remember correctly, I thought that you subtracted the.
That's from the old one. That's from the previous lesson.
Yeah. Get
Yeah,
it
but
together.
don't you use the same concept to get it together? Aren't we gonna build off of what we've been learning?
No, never. Not in this class. It's a 1-week class. They never correlate with each other.
Okay, guys.
Number 11. We go the distribution of the population. If the sample size is larger than n is greater than 30, what would be the sample distribution of a distribution of sample means? Normal?
Yes.
What theorem would justify the response to the last question? Central theorem.
Mhm.
Okay, I will check my work. Go submit quiz.
Do it, so then I can get 100 and you can get a 95.
I'll kill you. I got 100 fools.
Okay.
Wait, can you go and read your answers? Just
No.
to make
Just because you don't pay attention doesn't mean you get all the answers.
I do pay attention.
Okay, hold on a sec. Let's just do it this way. It's a lot easier. That way you can like start.
Yeah, I'm going to share your screen.
Whoa, that was really weird. It was like flipped. Okay. 3. Right. 4. Normal. 5. Normal. 6. Normal. 7. Everyone except for C.
Everyone.
8.
Poor
Poor-
C.
D. 9. 10. 10. 1. 11. Normal. 12. Central limit theorem.
Okay, you little brat. Thank you.
Oh,
Excuse me, I think you
ouch.
should have some more respect.
Okay.
I don't know
Why?
since you've been in America, but if
He
you say
is-
that word, do you go to
He
jail?
is the pirate captain. You should be. He might throw you off. The
What
ship.
if someone accidentally put the wrong number in the needed to
He might make you walk the plank.
Walk the plank.
Mrs.
How
Cat in
come
the
I-
Hat.
How come I missed 2? I got 90.
You see? Do you see?
I missed the number 1, number 2.
Oh.
No, just kidding. I almost.
Nice.
All right, guys. Ugh. That was so enjoyable.
I know, right? Good thing that we have such fun personalities and we get along really well. Otherwise, this could be a terrible experience for all of us.